This is an example of an if statement. Remember, an if statement is used to determine the contents or value of one cell based on the value in another cell. So in this example, we have a small shipping invoice, and we need to calculate what the shipping value is going to be. Well, the rule is if sales are less than $100, shipping is $25. If it's $100 or more, shipping is free. The if formula takes this format, if, and then the test. The test will be, in this case, is the subtotal value less than 100? If the answer is yes, it is, whatever's in the true part of the formula will be displayed, in this case $25. If it's equal to or more than 100, the test is false. It's not less than 100. So whatever the value here will be, and in this case it's 0. So if we write the if statement, equals if, and Google opens up a little hint window, and OpenOffice does the same thing, the logical expression is going to be the test. So we're going to test, is D8, the subtotal, less than 100? Now you see, to separate the expression and the value true and the value false, we'll put a comma in Google Docs. In OpenOffice, it's a semicolon. So that's one little difference between the two. So since we're working in Google Docs, I'm going to put a comma. Now what if it's true? What if subtotal is less than 100? Well, shipping is $25. So I can write $25. If it's false, if the subtotal is equal to or greater than 100, shipping is 0. So that's what my formula looks like for shipping using an if statement. In this case, since subtotal is at 100, when I hit enter, that value should be 0. And it is 0. Now we should test this just to make sure that it works correctly if the value is less than 100. So I can go to t-shirts, change it from a quantity 4 to a quantity 3. That reduces that by $9 to $91, makes shipping $25, which is correct. Now let's test the other circumstance when it's more than 100. We've already tested when it's equal to 100. We saw that first. Let's make sure this works right when it's more than 100. So again, I'll go to t-shirts and I'll add 5 t-shirts, which makes it $109, and shipping is 0. So that